Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today we will learn how to multiply in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet where you want to perform multiplication. Click on the cell where you want the multiplication result to appear. Then you have to start typing the multiplication formula. Now type an equal sign. After the equal sign, type the first number you want to multiply, followed by a star which represents multiplication. Then type the second number you want to multiply or select them. Now press enter. That's it, the multiplication has been completed. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.